welcome to the video. Tim Thomas here at the Work at Home Center. I've got a fantastic video for you today. Stay tuned. I got some information to cover with you. We're going to roll the intro. I'll get back with you on the other side. Tim Thomas here. In this video, we're going to welcome a new member. I'm welcoming a brand new member to SideHustleIncome.net, and I'm fired up and I'm excited about it. Before I start the video, make sure you like this video, hit the like button, tap the like button, and the notification bell. So when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Make sure you like this video. Guys, home-based businesses is the wave of the future. Period. End of discussion. We're going to throw some income examples of what we feel that you can make inside of SideHustleIncome.net. But as an income disclaimer, in life, money does not fall from the trees. But when you plug into a system and you put it to action, great things are happening. We have a system of duplication. And let me tell you, before I get started with this video, I want to welcome my new member to the team, Jose Green. Jose Green, the man, the myth, the legend, has joined Side Hustle Income, and we could not be more excited to have him part of the team. I'm going to show you the welcome email that I got from the owner and administrator. So welcoming another member, and great things are happening. Before we deep dive into this, guys, the goal for this year, my income strategy is going to be a big ticket, of course, on the front side. And then we're going to market residual income programs. Residual income programs on the back side. SideHustleIncome.com. Phenomenal residual net is a phenomenal residual income system. We've got American Bill Money. Phenomenal. I tell you what, guys, I'm going to be doing video after video of what American Bill Money has just released. We're going to talk about it in another video. Absolute game changer. Jaw dropping. We've got affordability, and we've got big ticket, and we've got residual income built in one in American Bill Money. Of course, you know, I'm marketing the big ticket system here, the complete cash system. That thing's a game changer. It's a spinoff of Supreme Profit. Very excited about that. And AI viral downline. Now, of course, I do have a few other programs like the Cash Cow still going. I've got some of the mail order programs like the Millionaire Mailer. You know, the residual plan, it's still running in the background, and we're still running those programs. But my main top 4 or 5 programs are going to be the big ticket, and then American Bill Money, SideHustleIncome.net, and AI viral downline. That's the goal for this year, and I could not be more excited. So SideHustleIncome.net, and this is the email that I just got from Don showing Jose. If you're joining from this video, join Jose Green using ID number 2568. Jose Green, join Jose. If you're seeing this video, and when you join me, I'm going to do some videos for you also, over and over and over again. Again, if you're seeing this video, join with Jose Green. Contact Jose. Let him know that you're joining with him. I saw Timothy's video. I'm coming in. Guys, we've got an incredible postcard that our team leader has just made up. I'm not going to, for the sake of the time and length of this video, I'm not going to go into details. But I'm telling you, let me just show you a little bit of how that thing looks. Just a game changer. Look at this postcard, guys. It is converting like it's nobody's business. It is a 6x9 postcard. Greg has tested it. It has been tested and proven to work. So when you got a system that's tested and proven to work, the sky is the limit. Folks, I'm telling you what, this can get you financial freedom. It's a possibility. If you mail these postcards over and over again, we even got a direct mail flyer that looks like the postcard. Got a Mercedes-Benz out there, house behind there, turn $150 into $7,500 plus per month. It's possible. It's $150 to join, and the way the program works with SideHustleIncome.net, watch this video. I'll put the link below the video. But in the nutshell, it's super, super simple. You pay $150 a month. $75 goes per month to your sponsor, and then $25 goes to your sponsor. The other $50 goes to the company for product fulfillment, unlimited support, and that is incredible. The hosting of the website, that's what the other $50 goes to. Again, it's $150 per month. $75 goes to your sponsor, and you're going to have $50 goes to your sponsor. $50 goes to the company for product fulfillment. Guys, game changer. 10 people, and you're at $750 a month. Greg is right now going to try to get 50 people within the next 6 months or more people. He actually is going to probably pass 50 people in the first 6 months. Folks, we're going right behind him. And we'll invite you. Join Jose Green. We want to invite you to come be a part of this Side Hustle program. I'm telling you what, folks, this is the way to go. The wave of the future. The video does all the selling, telling, explaining for us, so we never have to. And that's powerful. And what I'm going to do in another video, I will be playing this entire video. As Jose always says, get in a quiet place. Get in a quiet place. Set about 10-15 minutes of your time, folks. You owe it to you and your family. Watch this video. Watch it twice. And folks, you can see the power of this system and what it's able to do for you. I'm telling you what, great things are happening. The wind is to our backs. Side Hustle Income.net is the way to go. It is the wave of the future. It is one of my top recommended programs for this year. And we're going all the way up. All the way up with Side Hustle Income.net. We're going to show you how you can turn that $150 per month into $7,500. And let me be real for a minute. Folks, people are looking for ways that are super simple. Can you put a stamp? Can you put a stamp on a postcard and a name label? If you said yes, you can make $1,000 a month with this program. If you get excited, you can make $5,000 a month. It's possible. Of course, disclaimers at the bottom. But I'm telling you, folks, I tell you, it's time to think out the box. And the days of sending $1 to this person, $1 to that person, these small ticket programs, guys, is really not going to get you financial freedom. You need some big ticket programs such as the Side Hustle, the Complete Cash System, that yellow postcard that I don't even talk about a lot. It's creating a whirlwind of signups called the Easy Money System. It's cranking out, and we're running. If you're going to sign up again from this video, sign up with Jose Green. His ID number will be below the video. I could not be more excited. The best is yet to come. I've got more videos coming. Stay tuned. This is going to be our year of financial freedom. I'm telling you, American Bill Money has been such a blessing to my family. It is just cranking out me a 4-figure per month income, climbing to 5. And this right here, we're adding Side Hustle. The sky is the limit, folks, as to what you can have, as to what you can achieve. If you believe it, you can receive it. Watch this entire video. Get signed up today, and let's get you going. Once you get signed up, reach out to me. Let me know that you signed up, and I'll give you all my keys of success and secret mailing resources. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next Side Hustle Income.net video.